Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, Psychology of Learning, Week 7, Assignment 7. So the first question is, which of the following is false about learning according to Gagne's definition? So these are the options. And now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first is not simply ascribable to processes of growth. So the answer of our first question is C. Now, the second question is, manual or physical skill comes under dash components of Bloom's taxonomy. So these are the option: cognitive, affective, psychomotor, physical. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, psychomotor, manual or physical skills. So the answer of our second question is C. Now the third question is, reflection, learning and education was explored by dash. So these are the options: Carl Rogers, John Watson, Benjamin Bloom, John Dewey. So let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, John Dewey's reflection, learning and education. So the answer of our third question is D. Now the fourth question is, the principles of dash refer to how close in time two events must be for a bond to be formed. So these are the options: behavior, reinforcement, repetition, contiguity. So let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, the principles of contiguity, how close in time two events must be for a bond to be formed. So the answer of our fourth question is D. Now let's go to our fifth question. Dash gives information to learners about their success or failure concerning the task at hand. So these are the options: cognitive feedback, emotional feedback, reinforcement, physical feedback. So let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth, cognitive feedback gives information to learners about their success or failure concerning the task at hand. So the answer of our fifth question is A. Now, the sixth question is, the dash orientation to learning has a quality of personal involvement, the whole person in both feeling and cognitive aspects being in the learning event. So these are the options: behavioral, cognitive, humanistic, social. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, humanistic. It has a quality of personal involvement, the whole person in both feelings and cognitive aspects being in the learning event. So the answer of our sixth question is C. Now the seventh question is, the learning through play is dash learning. So these are the options: primary, secondary, passive, active. So let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, learning as a mental activity, knowledge is created, active learning. So the answer of our seventh question is D. Now the eighth question is, dash people with dash learning style are prone to shorting their ideas after speaking rather than thinking ideas through before. So these are the options: logical, solitary, visual, auditory. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question eight, auditory learning style. They are prone to shorting their ideas after speaking rather than thinking ideas through before. So the answer of our eighth question is D. Now the ninth question is, which of the following statement is false? So these are the options, and let's check the answer of our ninth question. So question 9, AI is generative and dynamic. So the answer of our ninth question is A. Now the 10th question is, in ADDIE model, I stands for dash. So these are the options: instruction, implementation, integration, induction. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, ADDIE itself is an acronym for the 5 stages of the model implementation. So the answer of our 10th question is B. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.